Go drifting in the wheelchair.
Okay, Paul.
We fly high, no lie, you know it, rolling.
These legs are working.
Okay, Paul. Bitch, stop using your crippled hands.
What?
You can't stop it.
DJ here, because I pushed him into a table when he was in a wheelchair.
I did too. No, when he was in a wheelchair, he always fell.
Crap!
When he was in a wheelchair, he always fell off stage with me.
Let's not do
Paul was
this.
losing the game.
I don't play the game. What is that, like, chicken?
So you like totally reenact what you did like 5 minutes ago? So I can like get it on tape?
That's something you can do twice.
Yeah, he was an accident. He was just like, I was an accident, like, fading character and fading handicap.
That'd be hilarious. I would laugh. I would die laughing.
No, see, that's how good of an actor I am. Even when shit fucks up, I stay in character.
You're gonna push him back, you gotta hit his head on the concrete.
That I'd be laughing at too. Jameson, you're just like, wee.
What, Leon? Kings of shit.
She's always looking at me.
You're listening to the
Kings of shit.
Julia was awesome. How dare you?
What?
You're about to do
shit Mexicans, I'm breaking character. Damn, Paul hella pissed.
Where's Paul? Why'd he leave?
Dude.
Oh, so.
Who wants to have wheelchair sex?
How do you have wheelchair sex? Okay. Oh, balls.
You were backwards.
No, but mine's already inside.
What?
The fuck?
The strange man was coming after me.
Spaceman was coming for him. Spaceman was actually coming in him.
I got that.
Dude, you're gonna hurt a lot.
It's gonna hurt me a lot more than it's gonna hurt me.
No, you like just put it there like have a wheelchair around like something sticking out of his ass.